kiddos on around, you guys are more than welcome to use our trails, and we're going to take you for a little walk today, and you're more than welcome to use them while we're in this COVID-19 dilemma.
That's right, and they were designed and cleared and marked by our local Eagle Scouts.
Yeah. So this is the way to the trail.
It's the entrance.
The trail is right over next to this first tent, and it is a moderate trail. I wouldn't say it's easy. It does have some hills.
MacColl Nation, welcome to our trail. This is summer camp, hiking, training. Let's rock and roll. Come on in.
This is probably the hardest part of the trail, just so you know, but the trails are wide and easy to walk on, but there are some hills, so just so you have the right shoes on. Guess where we are? Can you recognize this building here to the left? It is the Handy Dandy Lodge, so that's another access to our trails. You might be able to park there and then access the trails that way as well, especially if the kiddos are on the grounds out and, you know, on the...
When walking on the trail, you can follow the arrows to guide you through. This is our beautiful little waterfall we have on the trail.
We have some daffodils. We wanted to bring a little joy to you today while we're on our walk. And we hope to have you back at the Y soon, and hope you're all safe and healthy and happy.